Okay. Athena, I know we've been fighting ghosts all day, but, you know, still. You want to be a water type? Is that what you're doing? Probably going to get flagged for this music playing, eh? Okay, so, go buy the game? Yeah? Right, Athena? Yeah! You being silly? Of course, the second I bring this out, you stop splashing. Oh, there you go. Look at those wings. Look at those wings, yeah? Hey, I have an idea. Here. Here. You want your spritz bottle? Yeah, it's filtered water plus a little dash of apple cider vinegar. You hear that thing? It's made with apples. Yeah, get you nice and clean. And at this point, you'll be all drier and you're ready for bed. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, you such a silly bird. Look at that silly bird. Yeah? Yeah? I'm trying to turn this off. Come on.